Today, Peppa and her friends are at a go-kart track.
Hello, everybody. Who's ready to race go-karts?
Me!
Peppa and her friends put on their race suits.
Red is my favourite colour.
Ooh. And don't forget your safety helmets. Now, let's pick your go-karts.
Yay!
Danny Dog has put his helmet on backwards.
Now, the pedals make the go-kart go. And the brakes make it stop. And the steering wheel helps the go-kart turn.
Whee!
It's just like riding a bike. Why don't you all give it a try and start pedalling slowly?
I drive a big car all the time. A go-kart should be easy. Whoa! Whoa! Oh dear, I think I went a little bit too fast. Now, how do I turn around?
The go-kart race has begun.
This is fun!
But Susie Sheep is pedalling backwards.
Try pedalling forward, Susie.
Forward? Oh!
Woohoo!
Danny Dog is pedalling very quickly.
Remember to use the brake, Danny. Huh?
Mummy Pig is having trouble making her go-kart go.
Let's see. This makes it go backwards.
Do you need help, Mummy Pig?
Oh, no thank you, Miss Rabbit. I'm sure I can do it.
My go-kart is too wiggly.
Peppa is driving all over the racetrack.
Turn the steering wheel more gently, Peppa.
Oh! Much better.
Peppa and her friends like driving around the racetrack in their go-karts.
There we go. Whee!
And Mummy Pig has finally got her go-kart moving.
Time's up. Well done, everybody.
Hooray!
But the go-kart race has finished.
Oh,
Peppa and her friends love racing go-karts. Peppa and her family are out in the car.
Oh!
But they're having a bit of trouble.
Oh dear, the car won't start.
You've broken down. Don't worry, I'll take you to the garage. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Mr. Bull is towing the car away to be fixed. George and Peppa like being towed.
Aha! Oh dear, I see. Well, we can fix it,
oh good.
but we'll have to order a new part. It won't be easy or cheap.
Oh dear. How long will it take?
It will take as long as it takes.
But how will I get to work?
There's lots of cars you can use while yours is being fixed. Follow me.
There's lots of spare cars at the garage.
Pick any one you like.
A motorbike. This is perfect. Let's take it for a test drive.
Danny Pig likes riding the motorbike.
Hello.
Oh!
But motorbikes don't keep you dry in the rain.
Maybe we need something a bit tougher.
Let's try this.
Peppa has found a monster truck, which is very tough.
I think a monster truck might be a bit too tough for what we need.
Sorry. What about something nice and spacious, like this bus?
Mummy Pig likes the bus very much.
It's ever so roomy and peaceful. Oh dear.
But everyone thinks it's a real bus. There's only one car left for Peppa and her family to try.
It's a bit smelly.
That's because it's my lorry for collecting the recycling. So you can't take that one, I'm afraid.
I'm not sure we'll ever find a car as perfect as our car.
Well, that's lucky. You took so long to pick a new car that we managed to fix your old one.
Hooray!
Thank you, Mr. Bull. Thank you, Grandad Dog.
Peppa's family like driving different cars, but they like driving their family car most of all. This morning, and Peppa is having some delicious breakfast.
What's happened to the cereal?
April Fools!
April Fools? What's that?
Today is April Fool's Day. It's a day where people make each other laugh by playing silly jokes, like I just did with your cereal.
I like silly jokes. Can we do one on Daddy?
That's a great idea.
Daddy Pig is reading on the sofa, but Mummy Pig and Peppa have come to play a joke on him.
Could you please pass my glasses, Mummy Pig?
Of course.
Peppa and Mummy Pig are playing a joke on Daddy Pig.
Thank you. That's strange. These glasses have made it even harder to see.
April Fools!
Ho, 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 ho. Oh, these are joke glasses. Very funny, but you won't be able to play another joke on me. I am much too clever for that.
Peppa is playing another joke on Daddy Pig.
Oh, no.
Huh?
I can't open this tube of crisps. Can you help me, Daddy?
Of course, Peppa. Whoa! Oh, that gave me a fright.
April Fools!
You got me again, Peppa. Well done. Would you like to help me play an April Fool's Day joke on Mummy Pig, Peppa?
Peppa and her family have finished dinner and are now eating dessert.
Aha! Me and Peppa have made a tasty chocolate cake for dessert, haven't we, Peppa?
Yes.
How lovely! It looks delicious. My fork doesn't seem to work.
Try with your hands.
Peppa and Daddy are playing a joke on Mummy Pig.
This isn't a cake. This is a sponge with icing on it.
April Fools! Ho, ho, ho.
What a clever joke. That reminds me. George brought some biscuits for you, Peppa.
Yay! Thank you, George. I love biscuits. Whoa.
April Fools!
Peppa loves April Fool's Day.
Watch out!
Today, Peppa and her friends are at the water park.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Miss Rabbit.
Before you all go swimming, I have some important rules to teach you.
Miss Rabbit is telling everyone how to be safe in the swimming pool.
The first rule is no splashing.
No splashing, Mr. Bull.
Whoops! Sorry, Peppa. Sorry, Miss Rabbit.
That's okay, Mr. Bull. The second rule is no running.
Silly Mr. Bull. No running.
Sorry again.
Mr. Bull doesn't know any of the rules.
And the last rule is everyone must have a simply splendid time.
Oh!
Have a splendid time, Mr. Bull.
Oh, ho, ho, ho! Right you are, Peppa!
Enjoy the pool, everyone.
What shall we do first? Let's go on the water slide. Hooray!
Everyone is very excited to ride the water slides.
Hello again. Who wants to go down the slide?
Me!
Well, you're in luck. There is one slide for each of you.
Let's have a race.
Good idea. Lucky I brought my flag. On your marks, get set, go! And Danny Dog zooms into the lead, followed by Peppa. Then it's Gerald Giraffe and Susie Sheep coming up behind. It's incredibly close. Water slide racing at its best.
Hello, Granny. Hello, Mr. Bull.
Oh!
They're nearly at the finish line. It's neck and neck. Who will come out on top? It's a draw. Everybody wins.
Peppa and her friends love the slides, but they have forgotten the first rule of the water park.
No splashing!
Peppa and her family are watching a film at the cinema.
Mummy, I need to go to the toilet.
OK, Peppa, we'll go to the one just outside. We're just going to the toilet.
The toilet? Good idea.
Oops.
Oh dear, the toilet is closed for cleaning.
But I really need to go.
There's a public toilet just down the road. Follow me, everyone.
Dinosaur.
Peppa and her family have found a toilet.
Here's the toilet, Peppa. Let's join the queue. I'm afraid the queue starts over there.
But the queue for the toilet is very, very long.
I'm not sure I can wait that long.
There's a toilet in the supermarket. Let's try there.
Peppa, Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig and George look everywhere for a toilet. They try the supermarket.
Aha! Ah! Oh!
They try the zoo.
Sorry, Peppa. This toilet needs fixing. Oh!
They even try a toilet shop.
I'm sorry, but these toilets are for display purposes only.
There are no toilets anywhere.
Oh dear, now I need the toilet too.
So do I.
Look, the cinema toilet is open again. Hooray!
Finally, Peppa and her family are back to watch the film.
Dinosaur!
But now the film has ended.
Looks like we'll have to watch it from the start. Does anyone need the toilet first? Who's ready for an adventure to the seaside? Hooray!
Peppa and her family are going out for the day.
Oh dear, I think I forgot to put petrol in the car.
Never mind. Let's take the train to the beach.
Hooray!
Peppa and her family are catching a train to the seaside.
Tickets, please.
We're going to the seaside. And Mummy didn't put petrol in the car.
How exciting! I love the seaside.
I think it's time for some lunch. Peppa, let's look for the dining carriage.
Daddy Pig and Peppa are walking through the train to the dining carriage. It is very wobbly.
Oh, this carriage must be for passengers who want to sleep.
Whoa!
This carriage must be for people who want to play on the train.
Wow! Hi, Danny. Hi, Gerald.
Ah! This must be the cinema carriage.
Excuse me.
Peppa and Daddy Pig have found the dining carriage.
This carriage must be for people who want lunch. Is that your tummy rumbling, Daddy?
I'm afraid the train has broken down.
Oh dear, we'll have to take the bus.
Now, Peppa's family are waiting to catch the bus to the seaside.
Ah!
All aboard! Next stop, the seaside!
Whoa!
The bus has broken down.
I think somebody forgot petrol again. Now how will we get to the seaside?
Well, we can walk.
The seaside is just down the hill.
This was the best trip to the seaside ever. I can't wait to see how we get back home.
Peppa and Rebecca Rabbit are making a pillow fort today.
Careful, don't fall on the fort.
Almost got it. Whoa. Squeak. We did it. Now we need to decorate the inside. Something else is missing. Oh! Something to eat! Mommy!
What a beautiful pillow fort.
Can we have something to eat, please?
Of course. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.
Let's pretend the pillow fort is really big inside. Wow!
Catch, Peppa! Let's pretend the floor is really bouncy, like a trampoline. Squeak! It's so bouncy!
Oh no! The ball bounced over there.
Let's bounce after it.
This floor is green, so let's pretend it's squelchy.
Ew! But the ball isn't here. Maybe over there. This room is blue. So let's pretend it's cold.
There's the ball.
Hooray! Let's get out of here.
Which way did we come in?
Peppa, where are you?
We're lost in the pillow fort.
I'll come get you.
No, Mummy. The fort isn't built for grown-ups.
Oh, I can fit through anything.
Mummy Pig is stuck.
Oh.
Mummy, your wiggles are breaking the fort.
Sorry.
You. All that pretending has made me even more hungry.
Good thing I brought you some food. Now, we just need to find it under these pillows.
Peppa and her family are watching a film at the cinema.
Mummy, I need to go to the toilet.
OK, Peppa, we'll go to the one just outside. We're just going to the toilet.
The toilet? Good idea.
Oops.
Oh dear, the toilet is closed for cleaning.
But I really need to go.
There's a public toilet just down the road. Follow me, everyone.
Dinosaur.
Peppa and her family have found a toilet.
Here's the toilet, Peppa. Let's join the queue. I'm afraid the queue starts over there.
But the queue for the toilet is very, very long.
I'm not sure I can wait that long.
There's a toilet in the supermarket. Let's try there.
Peppa, Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig and George look everywhere for a toilet. They try the supermarket.
Aha! Ah! Oh!
They try the zoo.
Sorry, Peppa. This toilet needs fixing. Oh!
They even try a toilet shop.
I'm sorry, but these toilets are for display purposes only.
There are no toilets anywhere.
Oh dear, now I need the toilet too.
So do I.
Look, the cinema toilet is open again. Hooray!
For you.
Finally, Peppa and her family are back to watch the film.
Dinosaur!
But now the film has ended.
Looks like we'll have to watch it from the start. Does anyone need the toilet first?
Hooray! Hello, I'm King Peppa.
It's another day at playgroup, and everyone is pretending Peppa is the king.
I'm the king, and I say everyone should eat lots of yummy food.
Of course, Your Majesty.
Hooray!
King Peppa is enjoying being king of the playgroup. She really likes all the yummy food.
I've brought you some raisins, Mrs. King. Oh, thank you, Candy. I love raisins. But I am getting very full.
Can I be the king for a while if you're full, King Peppa?
Good idea. Here you go, King Pedro.
Now, Pedro Pony is the king of the playgroup.
I say everyone has to hop. Why, Mr. Highness? Because hopping is fun.
King Pedro is right. Hopping is fun.
Very good hopping, Danny. Thank you, King Pedro. Hop, hop.
King Pedro, you said everyone should hop. That means you should too.
Oh, that's right. Hop,
Hop, hop, hop, hop, hop, hop.
Would you like to be the king now, Candy?
Meow. Yes, please. Hop, hop. Now Candy is the king. Oh, I say everyone has to be really quiet.
Now everyone has to be loud.
Now, quiet.
Now loud.
Everyone is enjoying King Candy and King Danny's rules very much.
Quiet.
Loud. Oh.
Now George is the king.
Dinosaur.
Hooray!
King George says that everyone should dinosaur. Everyone loves being king of the playgroup, but everyone loves being dinosaurs even more.
Whoa! Phew!
Wow. Oh, goody. What's
this?
Today is Arts and Crafts Day at Peppa's playgroup.
I have many fun arts and crafts planned for today. First is painting.
Ooh. But where are the brushes?
They're right here.
No one is sure what Madame Gazelle means.
Where? There. I don't see anything.
We're doing finger painting. Instead of brushes, you paint with your hands.
Hooray!
Peppa and her playgroup are enjoying making their finger paintings.
A lovely flower, Peppa.
Thank you, Madame Gazelle.
What a wonderful butterfly, Susie.
There. Thank you, Madame Gazelle.
And Danny, that's a marvelous paddle. Thank you, Madame Gazelle.
Danny is jumping in his painting just like a real muddy puddle.
Brilliant idea, Danny. We'll do face painting next.
Everyone is getting their face painted. Susie is a butterfly. Danny is a zebra. Freddie and Emily are a tiger and a fish. And Peppa is green.
I'm green.
Oh! That gives me a fantastic idea.
Madame Gazelle has brought over a big canvas with tape on it.
What's that, Madame Gazelle?
Why, it's a beautiful picture, of course. But I don't see a picture. That's because it's not finished. Each of you take a bottle of paint and splatter as much as you like onto this canvas. Well done, children. Get messy, have fun. Try not to spill on the floor.
Everyone is having lots of fun painting on the big canvas.
It's beautiful. I love it.
Me too. but I still don't see a picture.
Aha! You will soon, Peppa.
Madame Gazelle is taking the tape off the canvas. The tape has made the painting into the shape of a star. Peppa loves the lovely star, and Peppa loves Arts and Crafts Day.